What's going on, guys? Chef Nate here with another quick kitchen tips video. Today I'm going to show you how to chop an onion. So start out, I'm kind of cheating a little bit because my onion's already peeled and I've used a little bit of it, but I didn't want to let it go to waste, and the method's going to be the same regardless. So you're going to start out by cutting this way. Keep your knife at maybe a 20-degree angle down, one slice, and then go up maybe about a 1/4 inch depending on the size of the dice you want. That's effective. And then go straight down. Another, keeping 1/4 inch distance because that's the size of the dice I want. All the way across. And then one more cut. Look at that. Look how nice and uniform that is. Beautiful. That's as simple as it is. Now everything's going to cook evenly and look amazing. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.